Hola, buenos dias. So, Module 4, we just finished about más saludos and how do Hispanic people greet each other. And the next module will be ¿Cuántos años tienes? And how are birthdays celebrated. So, let's see what that is all about. ¿Cuántos años tienes? And how are birthdays celebrated. So, we've already learned numbers 1 to 20. Remember in Module 3 we did that. We're going to now learn our numbers after 20. So what I would like for you to do, this is a little lecture video. Please listen to it and practice, and then you go practice some more with this number game. Numbers game from Woodward Spanish. So I'm going to give you a little hint about numbers. Uno a 100. Uno, 100, 100. In Spanish, you need to memorize your numbers by tens, because if you can memorize them by tens, then all the ones in the middle are going to be pretty easy because you're just going to add to it. For example, if I have 20, 20, you should know that by now. How will I say 21? I will say 21, 20, 21, and 1, 21, 22, 23. Okay, all the way to 30. 30 is 30. How do I go from 30 to 40, 40? I'm just going to add 31, 32, 33. Okay, so should be not difficult. You're just going to have to practice and practice, practice, practice. Practice when you're brushing your teeth. Count up to, muy bien, when you're lava tus manos, when you're washing your hands. 2 minutos, 120 minutos. 100 no, not minutos, segundos. Lo siento, perdón. 120 seconds, right? You can start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, now you can do it all the way up to 100. A 100. Lava tus manos. Cuenta a 100. Bien? Muy bien. Okay? The other thing you're going to learn is ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? To say how old you are, you're going to say Yo tengo 100 años. See? Yo tengo 100 años? No. Quizás, maybe. You're going to watch the Edpuzzle, and this is just to practice to learn. It's a learning video. And then I want you to do this Edpuzzle for an assignment, and I will take it as a formative, as a quiz grade. And then we're going to learn more about how do Hispanic cultures celebrate birthdays. There's a video. I want you to participate in the discussion. In the video, there's several videos. There's, I believe, 2 videos that I would like for you to watch. Talks about this, like the Spanish from Spain, and it will also talk about the different in different countries. It tells you a little bit about how they celebrate birthdays in different Hispanic countries, and it will talk about quinceañera. And quinceañera, go read about it, go learn about it, and then in the discussion, I want you to tell me what your thoughts are, okay? So please, as you can tell, I have not linked the discussion assignment here, but I will, okay? Y eso es todo. Adiós.